What is the best way to remove black residue from a cast iron skillet?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the best way to remove black residue from a cast iron skillet. Cast iron skillets are excellent for cooking, but over time, they can develop a buildup of black residue, also known as seasoning. Removing this residue properly is essential for maintaining the skillet's performance and longevity. So, let's dive right in.
What causes black residue in a cast iron skillet?
Before we get into the cleaning process, let's first understand what causes black residue to form in a cast iron skillet. When cooking with a cast iron skillet, fats and oils gradually polymerize and form a natural non-stick layer on the surface of the skillet. This layer, commonly referred to as seasoning, is what gives cast iron its distinctive properties. However, over time, this seasoning can become sticky, develop carbonized food particles, or even flake off, resulting in the black residue we want to remove.
Supplies you'll need.
To successfully remove black residue from your cast iron skillet, gather the following supplies. 1. Hot water. You'll need hot water for the initial rinsing and soaking stages. 2. Mild dish soap. Choose a gentle dish soap that won't strip away the seasoning. 3. Non-abrasive sponge or brush. Opt for a non-abrasive sponge or brush to avoid damaging the skillet's surface. 4. White vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaner that helps break down stubborn residue. 5. Baking soda. Baking soda is another effective natural cleaner that can assist in removing residue. 6. Paper towels or a clean cloth. These will come in handy for drying the skillet. Now that we have all the necessary supplies, let's move on to the cleaning process.
The cleaning process.
Step 1. Start by rinsing the cast iron skillet under hot water to remove any loose residue. Avoid using soap at this stage. Step 2. If the skillet has stubborn residue, create a mixture of equal parts water and mild dish soap. Use a non-abrasive sponge or brush to gently scrub the surface of the skillet. Be careful not to scrub too vigorously, as it can damage the seasoning. Step 3. Rinse the skillet thoroughly to remove any soapy residue. Step 4. For more stubborn residue or if the skillet has a thick layer of carbonized food particles, create a cleaning solution by mixing equal parts white vinegar and water. Submerge the skillet in the solution and let it soak for about 30 minutes. This acidic solution helps break down the residue. Step 5. After soaking, gently scrub the skillet with a non-abrasive sponge or brush to remove any loosened residue. Step 6. Rinse the skillet thoroughly under hot water to remove any vinegar residue. Step 7. If there are still traces of residue, sprinkle baking soda onto the surface of the skillet. Using a damp non-abrasive sponge or brush, gently scrub the skillet in circular motions. The baking soda acts as a mild abrasive to help lift the remaining residue. Step 8. Rinse the skillet once again under hot water to remove the baking soda residue. Step 9. Dry the skillet thoroughly using paper towels or a clean cloth. Make sure to remove all moisture to prevent rust from forming. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively remove black residue from your cast iron skillet and restore its original shine. Remember to be gentle when cleaning to avoid damaging the skillet's seasoning. Proper